Hello viewers, welcome back. Again a tip clip. So I'm going to cover in this tip clip of the engine startup, what to do and what not to do when you start up an engine. And before I get into the topic, I just want to focus the camera on this Highness badging. And how many of you feel that this is identical to the animation movie Cars? जो Lightning McQueen वाली जो movie है, how many of you feel that this is identical to Cars? Or I will just put a photo of that logo as well, so you can just draw a comparison. Okay, so like I mentioned, what I'm going to cover in this tip clip is the do's and don'ts of a engine when it is when you're starting it cold, or when you're starting it after maybe some long duration. So maybe after parking the vehicle for more than 4 to 5 hours or overnight, जब भी आप कोई vehicle शुरू करते हो. And this is not applicable only for the Honda Highness or for any two-wheeler. It is applicable, this tip clip is applicable to all 4-stroke IC engines, internal combustion engines, be it a 4-wheeler or a 2-wheeler. And the reason I'm making this clip is I have seen a lot of people, they start their vehicle, be it a car or a bike, immediately put the bike or car in gear, and then they start rolling. Now that's a I'll just say a strict no. The reason being, your engine, the top parts of an engine, there are many moving parts on the top of an engine. Your oil is settled when the bike is or the car is idle for a long period, overnight or 4-5 hours. All the oil settles in the bottom part of the engine. So sump mein pura oil hota hai aapke, and it takes almost 10 to 15 seconds at least for the oil to reach the top part of the engine. And like I mentioned, there are many moving parts in the head of the engine. So there are your valves, there are your camshaft, your valve stems, your rocker arms, your tappets, your cam wheel, half part of the the chain, the timing chain. All these parts are on the top side of the of the engine, and it takes almost 15 seconds, 10 to 15 seconds for the lubrication oil to reach these parts. And if you do this, like start the vehicle and just move immediately, these parts, they wear out immediately. So I'll say during the course of your engine life, service life, almost 5% of the wear and tear happens during the cold start time of the engine, when this oil is not fully functional, or it's not reached all the parts of the top side of the engine. So that is the reason, whenever you start the vehicle, let it idle for minimum 30 seconds. A minute is always good, but 30 seconds is something you should be actually waiting for before you put the bike in gear and leave. So this is a small tip or a clip I wanted to share. And you must have seen in the Highness or any EFI vehicle, whenever you cold start the vehicle, the engine actually does a fast idle RPM, and it does that on its own, because the temperature sensor which is here, it interacts with the ECU. It tells the ECU that the engine is cold. The ECU in turn tells the throttle body that you need to push in more rich mixture. Rich mixture is more fuel, less air to the engine, and that's how the engine raises up. And this also answers the question wherein a lot of people say my Highness does fast idling when I start the engine in the morning. This is the reason it is designed to do that. It is kind of auto choke system, wherein you send a rich mixture to the engine for cold start, so that the engine comes to its optimum running temperature. So I hope you are you got some information, some kind of a, I'll say, tip from this clip. Like I always say, a tip clip. So if you like this, please subscribe to the channel, please share it. I repeat, whenever you start the engine, let the engine idle for at least 30 seconds for the reasons I mentioned. Let the oil reach on the top. And like I said, it is applicable to both cars and bikes. So I hope you like the clip. Thank you for watching, and stay home, stay safe.